Brain-boosting breakfast ideas. Welcome back to Best Life Channel, your go-to source for health and treatment tips. Today, we're diving into one of the most important meals of the day, breakfast. But not just any breakfast. Today, we're focusing on brain-boosting breakfast ideas that can help enhance your cognitive function and keep your mind sharp. Let's get started. Number 1, oatmeal with berries. Starting our list is a classic favorite, oatmeal topped with berries. Oats are rich in fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and provides a steady release of energy. When paired with antioxidant-rich berries like blueberries or strawberries, you get a powerful combo. Berries contain flavonoids that have been linked to improved memory and cognitive function. For an extra boost, add a sprinkle of chia seeds or a dollop of Greek yogurt. Number 2, eggs with spinach. Next up is a protein-packed dish, eggs with spinach. Eggs are a great source of choline, a nutrient that is essential for brain health and memory. Pairing eggs with spinach, which is high in iron and vitamins A and C, creates a nutrient-rich meal that supports cognitive function. Try making a spinach and egg scramble or a frittata for a delicious breakfast that fuels your brain. Number 3, avocado toast. Avocado toast has become a popular breakfast choice for good reason. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and folate, which are beneficial for brain health. The healthy fats in avocados help improve blood flow to the brain, while folate plays a role in neurotransmitter function. Top whole grain bread with mashed avocado, a sprinkle of salt, and a drizzle of olive oil for a delicious and energizing breakfast. Number 4, smoothie with spinach and banana. For those on the go, a smoothie can be an excellent brain-boosting option. Blend spinach, banana, and a scoop of nut butter with your choice of milk or yogurt for a nutrient-packed breakfast. Spinach provides iron and antioxidants, while bananas offer potassium and vitamins that support brain function. Adding nut butter not only boosts protein, but also provides healthy fats to keep you full and focused. Number 5, Greek yogurt with nuts and honey. Greek yogurt is an excellent source of protein and probiotics, which are good for gut health and can positively impact brain function. Top your yogurt with a mix of nuts, like walnuts and almonds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, known for their brain-boosting properties. Drizzle with a little honey for sweetness, and you have a delicious breakfast that supports cognitive health. Number 6, chia seed pudding. Chia seeds are tiny powerhouses of nutrition. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants, they are fantastic for brain health. To make chia seed pudding, mix chia seeds with almond milk or yogurt and let it sit overnight. In the morning, top with fresh fruits and nuts for a satisfying and energizing breakfast that keeps your brain sharp. Number 7, whole grain toast with nut butter and banana. Whole grain toast spread with almond or peanut butter and topped with banana slices make for a delicious and nutritious breakfast. Whole grains provide complex carbohydrates for sustained energy, while nut butter offers healthy fats and protein. Bananas add natural sweetness and potassium, essential for proper brain function. Number 8, quinoa breakfast bowl. Lastly, consider a quinoa breakfast bowl. Quinoa is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids, which are important for brain function. Cook quinoa in almond milk or water, and top it with sliced fruits, nuts, and a sprinkle of cinnamon for a warm, satisfying breakfast that fuels your brain and keeps you full longer. These brain-boosting breakfast ideas are delicious and packed with nutrients that support cognitive function and overall brain health. Incorporating these meals into your morning routine can help you feel more alert and focused throughout the day. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends who might benefit. Do you have any favorite brain-boosting breakfast ideas? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Best Life Channel.